Live from Southwest Florida's #1 primetime newscast. This is Fox 4 News at 10.
Well, it's been all the rage ever since celebs like Angelina Jolie and Scarlett Johansson hit the airwaves. Those pouty lips. A lot of women want them, and until recently had to have injections to get them, but not anymore. I'm showing you this one-time fix for luscious full lips. It's tonight's 4 in Your Corner medical report. Heather Twilley is a different person today than she was a month ago.
People know that something's different, but they don't know what it is.
Her secret, a new improved pucker. This is what Heather looked like a few weeks ago.
I wasn't thrilled with them. They weren't there. They were very thin and basically non-existent.
And check her out now, a subtle, natural change.
This is a permanent implant.
Dr. Anurag Agarwal performed Heather's procedure, not with an injection, but a solid silicone implant called the Perma Facial Implant. I did some checking, and as of this year, only about 100 doctors nationwide are trained to use it, meaning you'll likely be among the first wave of patients should you try it. They say it's designed to give a smoother look, not the fish lip look.
Unfortunately, there's some celebrities in the media who've had overdone lips.
But he says you won't get that with the permafacial implant. You pick your size, small, medium, or large, and it takes 30 minutes to put in while you're awake.
We make a small incision inside the corner of each side of the mouth and then actually create a very small tunnel and then transplant the implant into that tunnel in the upper and lower lips, and then it just closes with stitches.
While he was doing it, you don't feel a thing.
Dana Cowell also chose the implant over an injectable. She went with medium.
It seems like it just really brightened up my face now that I have them, and before, my mouth was just kind of not there, so to speak.
So I'm sure you're wondering, what do they feel like? Dana says the days after surgery, she did have some side effects.
There's numbness, so sometimes when I would drink a glass of water, but that went away, and I don't even feel them now.
Oh, and I can't forget her significant other.
He says it feels softer.
Now there's no tightness or tingling. They feel perfectly natural. I can kiss, I can eat, I can whistle. Everything I used to do before, I can still do.
Who were you whistling at? She didn't answer me when I asked her who she was whistling at. So I did some checking to find out if there are any negative reviews about the permafacial implant. I couldn't find much, only a few people disappointed with the placement of the implant by their doctor. The lip implants run about $2,700. And by the way, if you don't like them, Dr. Agarwal says they are very easy to remove.
I think when she can kiss, eat, and whistle at the same time, you should go back and do another story.
Absolutely.